Large keys on HP laptops like Space, Enter, Shift, Control, Backspace, and Tab fail more often due to their frequent use and size. The spacebar alone measures 6 to 7 inches. Mechanical stress accounts for 20 to 30% of laptop keyboard repairs. The Space and Shift keys together account for 40% of HP laptop keyboard failures. HP laptop keyboards consist of several layers. The keycap is what you press, supported by a scissor mechanism for stability. Beneath is a rubber dome that actuates the key, sitting on a circuit board that registers the keystroke. Common issues with large keys include sticking due to dust, breakage from drops, or fading from frequent wear. Always understand the specific key's failure mode before attempting repair to ensure the right solution. Start with a plastic pry tool, also called a spudger. This helps lift keycaps without scratching the laptop. A keycap puller can make removal easier if available. Compressed air blows away dust and debris. Replacement keycaps cost $5 to $20 each. Match your HP model. Isopropyl alcohol cleanse sticky residue. Work in a clean, well-lit space. Ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. Check if you need a screwdriver for screws, and inspect the key's back for replacement details. Start by identifying the damaged keycap on your HP laptop keyboard. Large keys like the spacebar are most prone to failure from wear or damage. You'll need either a plastic pry tool or a keycap puller. These tools help remove the keycap without scratching the keyboard surface. Gently insert the tool under the edge of the damaged keycap. Apply steady, even pressure to lift it straight up. Avoid tilting the keycap to prevent damaging the scissor mechanism underneath. For keys with stabilizers, such as the spacebar, take extra care when removing. Disengage the stabilizer clips gently without forcing them. Be aware that some older HP models have glued stabilizers, which increases the risk of breakage during removal. Once the keycap is removed, use compressed air to remove any dust, debris, or crumbs from the scissor mechanism and the surrounding area. If there's sticky residue, gently clean it with a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the area is completely dry before proceeding to the next step. This cleaning process will ensure a clean surface for the new key to function properly. First, align the replacement keycap with the scissor mechanism underneath. Position it so that the plastic hooks on the keycap line up with the corresponding slots in the switch housing. Next, gently press down on the keycap with your fingers. Apply even pressure from the center of the key, working outward to ensure it seats properly. You should hear a satisfying click as the hooks engage with the mechanism. For larger keys like the spacebar that have stabilizers, make sure the metal stabilizer wires are properly aligned in their notches on both sides before fully pressing the keycap down. This prevents wobbling and ensures smooth operation. Now test the installed key by pressing it multiple times. Verify that it travels smoothly up and down, registers each press correctly, and doesn't feel stiff or sticky in its movement. If the key doesn't feel right after installation, if it's stiff, doesn't register keystrokes, or wobbles, carefully pry it off again using a keycap remover. Double check that the hooks are aligned with the slots and stabilizers are properly seated before reinstalling. Obtain replacement keycaps from HP parts, third-party suppliers like eBay or Amazon, or universal key kits. Budget HP laptops, such as the HP 14 series, often have modular, user-replaceable components that make replacements easier. Exercise caution with third-party keys for premium models, as fit issues could void support. iFixit gives HP models an 8/10 for repairability. Confirm the replacement key is the correct size and shape. Ensure compatibility by checking HP's model-specific diagrams. If the new keycap sticks after installation, double-check for any remaining debris under the keycap, or ensure it's properly aligned with the scissor mechanism. If the key doesn't register when pressed, verify that the scissor mechanism underneath is correctly aligned and functioning without bends or damage. If a stabilizer bar breaks while removing the keycap, replacement stabilizer bars can be purchased online from HP parts or third-party suppliers. If issues persist despite troubleshooting, search for model-specific tutorials on YouTube or seek advice on forums like Reddit's r/laptops and iFixit for detailed repair guides. Finally, Check the warranty for your specific HP laptop model by visiting HP's support website or contacting customer service to see if the repair is covered. To prevent future key failures on your HP laptop, take these simple steps. Avoid eating or drinking near your laptop to prevent liquid spills that can damage keys. Regularly clean your keyboard with compressed air to remove dust that can cause keys to stick. Consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and dust accumulation. Future trends include advancements in durable materials like PBT plastics for longer-lasting keys. Antimicrobial coatings may become common to reduce bacteria growth on keyboards. AI-assisted diagnostics may guide users to specific key fixes, while environmental concerns lead to more recyclable keyboards, lowering repair costs.